Yeah. Good day, and warm greetings to everyone joining us from the different parts of the world. On behalf of Total Swiss, we welcome you all to this special international Zoom session. We are thrilled to have such a diverse group of participants gathered here today as we dive into the power of holistic health, wellness, and the exciting opportunities Total Swiss has to offer. Um, Now let's get started with our product presentation. It's my great pleasure to introduce another remarkable individual who brings a unique blend of science, healing, and communication to the table. She is a doctor of dental medicine by profession, but her passion for holistic healing has led her to pursue advanced training in naturopathic medicine, integrative medicine, and iridology, a powerful tool for reading health indicators through the eyes. She is also well versed in pranic psychotherapy, applying energy-based healing to help individuals address deep emotional and psychological concerns. But that's not all. Beyond her medical and healing background, she is also a seasoned speaker and an internationally recognized Toastmaster, known for her clarity, charisma, and heart-centered message. A true integrative healer and communicator, let's warmly welcome Doc Annery Toledo. Doc Annery,
Okay, I'm unmuted now. Hello, good evening, everyone, and good morning to the Philippines and to the part of the other countries. Maraming salamat po for inviting me to be the speaker for today. Thank you very much. And welcome to the Total Swiss International presentation on behalf of the Total Swiss Philippines. I am Dr. Annery Toledo for our product presentation. Ton, who is going to share? Can I share my screen?
yes, you may.
All right. Thank you. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here on our slide is are the products that we have for the Philippines, but for the United States, I would like to make mention that we only have our three king cans, which is the first three is the cellular nutrition, cellular energy, and the cellular mineral, the cell mineral. Well, okay, let's talk about what is our greatest wealth. Definitely, it is the priceless health. Okay. And the problem right now is definitely nutritional deficiency in our modern diets. Okay. So let me just make mention that during the Geneva Convention in 2001, they have concluded that the culprit for all the five major chronic diseases, namely the big C, cancer, high blood pressure, osteoporosis, diabetes, and obesity. Okay? And because of that, we have to understand as well that our soil as well contributes a lot regarding our crops, the resources, because it reduces already the vitamins and mineral content in our fruits and vegetables. And a lot of people right now, even the kids, they have a busy lifestyle, incorporating all those mobile apps, games, etc. It will lead to poor dietary habits. The common deficiencies that comes up is vitamin A deficiency, vitamin B, C, D, and essential minerals, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And because of that, we have increased risk and we have fatigue and weakened immunity and chronic diseases. The accumulation of all the toxins from vices, the synthetic drugs, chemicals from the food that we eat is really a very important factor to consider. The bad effects of these problems is leading to oxidative damage to the cells of our body. It's causing to become sicker and more prone to all diseases. It's just like slicing an apple. Like when you slice it and then you just put it there, open on air, you're going to see that it's going to turn brown. That's how it is. That's what's happening to our cells when it is being attacked by free radicals. And it will lead to oxidative stress. Okay. So in 2021, the leading cause of death globally were predominantly is ischemic heart disease, stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And of course, we know what happened during the COVID, right? And that is really something that we are not looking forward to. Now, the thing is, we are composed of different organs, and we need to understand that we are composed of trillions of cells, the smallest unit in our body. Once the cell is not given the proper nutrition that it needs, definitely it's going to lead to an unhealthy and damaged organ, isn't it? So the human body are made up of trillions of cells, and we need the complete nutrients that it needs on a daily basis. All right? So we don't want to lead to an unhealthy organ and an unhealthy body. Now, introducing the solution, ladies and gentlemen, is we have our modern nutritional um, solution already for our nutritional deficiency, which is our Fit solution. Okay. It has an advanced cellular nutrition for maximum absorption and efficiency. It is a Swiss quality formulation that we are assured of purity, safety, and effectiveness. And we have our comprehensive support of what we need on top of the nutrients, which is the vitamins, the minerals, and energy boosters in just one system. Okay. And it's backed up by science with a cutting edge research on cellular health. All right. And by the way, our source is coming from a very, very clean source. It's from Switzerland. Everything in Switzerland is really clean. I mean, like almost everything, though. We have the air, very, very clean air. And it's not that polluted compared to so many countries. Of course, let's name the Philippines, right? And also, the soil is unadulterated. That's why the yield, the crops that they're going to give us is all very healthy with all the things that we need. That because it's like in the Bible, right? When you God said, get everything from the earth. I have given you everything. Eat what is there. And that was what Dr. Wang said during the time that we went to Taipei. That's why he really opted to really base it from there. So we have our complete and balanced nutrition, okay, to be given to our healthy cells at the cellular level, okay? And what is it going to be? We're going to be having our healthy human body, all right? So that is definitely what this slide is giving us. Now, if we look at the cell and then we move on to the nucleus, it is where our chromosomes are. And this is the sequence of the DNA, which is the CEO of our whole system, of our body. Why is that? Because the DNA is the one that will actually dictate to the message RNA what function is going to be given to that particular what is supposed to be done on a particular organ that needs regeneration. So if we give that proper nourishment, then it would be able to give that proper command for the message RNA. Okay? So because our cells are being produced, it's automatic. It is being produced. Like when you cut your hair, it's going to grow, right? So it's just easy. It's just like that. That's how the body works. Now, if it's not given the proper function or instruction, it is just going to be there. And that's the time, especially when you have a weakened system, okay, or a weak system, it will eventually be the start of having cancer cells activated. That's how it works. All right. So human body will be having now all these nutrients that we are giving using the fit solution. Therefore, the balanced nutrition will give us a maintained healthy cell. All right. Now let's talk about our 3 can king set. Okay. This is the cell nutrition, the cell energy, and the cell mineral. Okay, the cell energy is just like you're drinking dextrose every single day, right? When you get to a hospital, when a patient is sick, and they would require that they would be given the IVs because they need to recuperate right away. And then the cell mineral, it supports your bone health and immune function. And not just that, this is my best friend because I cannot sleep, like really sleep on a like very very well. But with cell mineral, I am now able to sleep. I just take it 30 minutes before I go to bed, and that's it. I sleep like a baby. All right. And it is formulated for optimal bioavailability and absorption. And this is a very important thing. It is free from artificial additives and harmful chemicals. How do we take it? We take one big flat scoop. We have a scooper that's going to be given to you, and one of that, and then you mix it up with 3 small heaping scoop of the cell energy, the one with the logo of the man, right? And then you mix it up with 250 ml of drinking water. Mix it thoroughly, please. Make sure that all the solid particles have already dissolved before you drink it. Okay, for those people who are actually have a problem with their heart, something like that, take it sparingly. Don't gulp it. Just don't gulp it fast so that you won't be shocked or something like that. But definitely, this is very safe. I'm just giving you the way to take it. All right, and then after lunch, you take 3 small flat scoop of the cell mineral. I take this around after lunch and 3 p.m. and also 30 minutes before I go to bed. You mix it up with 150 ml of drinking water. Okay. And our the 3 main features of our Fit Solution technology is complete balanced nutrition, perfect combination element design for the human body needs. Okay. And nutrients absorption system, wherein when we drink it already, it goes to your bloodstream and it's easily absorbed now to your cells. And we have the energy slope arrangement. It's high efficiency, is accessing the weakest part of your body. So upon saying that, you are going to now understand your body, wherein you will have an individual reaction. This is not going to be everything that you will feel. It will depend on what is the weakest system in your body. Example, the skin redness is an indication wherein your blood vessels are actually relaxed. It will be dilated, and the permission now, and it allows the red blood cells to flow through it. That's why you would see the skin redness. And this is what I felt. The warm body sensation the first time I took it was there was heat production due to the production of energy at the cell mitochondria. This is a very important um, thing to happen because we need the cell mitochondria to be activated because we need that energy for the cell processing to happen. Okay, and The skin itchiness is an indication of the toxins going out of the cell, and it's detoxifying. Okay. And another one, another reaction, maybe a gut detox. I felt this too because I am acidic before, very acidic. And what happened was I had this response due to the incorporation of the gut nutrition, such as probiotics and enzymes. It's also an indication that I know that I will have a good bowel movement after this gut reaction. And it did happen. All right. And also minor trembling. The circulation is restored. I met a 24-year-old man, and he is a son of a fellow distributor. And he said, "How come I had minor trembling?" And then I said, "What did you feel after the trembling?" He said it was just quick, and I felt sensation already on my arm. So that's how it is. And another experience that I encountered was phlegm detox. And one of our guests in Gladiola, he was already having a hard time breathing. He can't even speak loudly. And upon taking our fit solution, what happened was he started to cough, and phlegm was actually coming out. That's how good it is. And of course, you won't have that immediate effect upon taking this. It's not that uncomfortable, ladies and gentlemen. All right. But definitely, your dirty colon would be starting to detoxify. You will have a good um, way of detoxification. Don't worry. And just please, if you those who are going to complain, "I'm not defecating," or "I'm having a hard time, I'm like constipated after taking this," you know what? Your body just needs more water. Water is our best friend throughout this detoxification. And we are made up of what? Majority is water, 70% of water, right? Brain is 85% water. So please drink water. Okay. So our complete and balanced nutritional content is in bioactive compound. Okay. And it contains 140 vitamins and minerals, trace elements, fibers, enzymes, and probiotics and phytochemicals. Okay. So that is, ladies and gentlemen, what Dr. Wang said. He said that these are the essential nutrients from natural products that everyone needs every single day until we die. Okay? So that's Dr. Willie Wang. And the good thing is, upon going through the ingredients of our products, I did my due diligence and I'm so happy because I love buying food supplements. But because Total Swiss is already going to give us what it needs on a daily basis, ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to be buying additional food supplements anymore. Okay? It will replace all your food supplements. And this is not yet available in the US, the vegetarian protein powder. What I like about this is it already includes the 8 essential amino acids that we need, all right? And already it's in a form of amino acids, does not contain antibiotic, uric acids, cholesterol, and hormones. And it tastes like a banana smoothie. And it is suitable for our vegetarians, sarcopenia patients, liver dysfunction, endocrine imbalance, red and white blood cells, platelet deficiency, kidney failure, and pancreatic dysfunction or weak digestive ability, chemotherapy patients before and after surgery, breastfeeding mothers, young children, and elderly, as in everyone who breathes. Okay. Excuse me. And how to take this? Just take one flat scoop and drink it with 150 ml of drinking water. Mix it up. Okay. But if you want to take this as a meal replacement, we suggest 2.5 scoops of this with 200 ml of water would be able to suffice what you need for your meal. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, a superstar Hepanamine capsule. This is really something that I was in awe. And when we went to Taiwan, I found this pharmacy, which is just selling one product, only the Hepanamine capsule. They have 36 pharmacies in Taiwan doing that. Why is it? Because it is Silimarin is the active ingredient from milk thistle, has considerable scientific evidence and certifications from professional research institutes. Silimarin can effectively protect the liver cells, the gallbladder, and kidneys, but it has a low oral bioavailability is the bottleneck of Silimarin applications. So, but our product has 98.3% of the world's number one dissolution rate. The absorbability is easily going to take effect. Okay, how to take this? 2 capsules each time, 3 times daily. It has 90 capsules. Okay. Now, what is Total Swiss about? Okay, let me tell you, when did it start? January 2010. Presently, we are full operational in 16 countries and counting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not through stockship or something like that. This is really under the umbrella, the full operation from for really under the scope of Total Swiss. Okay? And we are open in Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Australia, Brunei, USA, China, and Switzerland. Now, please take note of the countries that we are open now. If you have people and friends and family who are there in these countries, contact them immediately, because being a distributor, you are able to use just one ID system. Your ID, just one, will be able to make you and allow you to conduct business and share the products to everyone in these countries. All right. And number two, I would like to reiterate Singapore, Japan, Australia, USA, Switzerland, and these countries I mentioned are very, very strict upon accepting products that will be sold in their countries. And they love Total Swiss products. Okay, please take note of that. Very, very important. Now, for if you are here in the Philippines and when you visit the Philippines, we would like to welcome you and visit our office in Ortigas Center. That is in BSA Twin Towers Bank Drive at the 8th floor at Unit 8188. 818B, sorry. Yeah, correct. And this is just at the back of Mega Mall A. Okay. Of course, we are legally operating in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Dr. Willie Wang, the founder and global CEO visionary behind Total Swiss. He's 76 years old right now. He told me he told me about his age, and he graduated with a PhD in biochemistry from New York University. He is a specialist in cytology research, and he is a senior biochemistry research specialist with German Nuremberg Institute of Biochemistry, and is a member of the technical team of the United Nations World Health Organization. Now, just to give you a short story, that Dr. Wang, had a problem before regarding thalassemia when he was younger. So because of that, really moved him, and this is his focus. So he went into biochemistry and cell research, making it a goal to be able to do something about his problem. Lo and behold, after a genome testing that we have, by the way, for Total Swiss, and he found out that after taking Total Swiss products that he was able to formulate, you know what? He's now thalassemia free. Okay? Which is very hard to address. I met someone at 80 years old. She's still suffering from thalassemia. Our vision is to have a healthier world. Everywhere becomes a health ambassador, okay, a partner, and every user experiences the gospel of health. It's committed to giving back to society. We continue to grow with passion, resilience, and a mission to promote health and prosperity for all. The mission: promote health, empowering lives, and giving back to society through innovative wellness solution. Okay? We are one with you, Dr. Wang. And please take note of the product quality assurance certification we have on the slide. The number one that I would always mention is the one that has been founded since 1931, because the Swiss Vitamin Institute has have the strictest guidelines to follow before giving a product that certification of quality and assurance for us to really have that sureness, that assurance that we are really a great product. And also, we have the good manufacturing practice quality assurance as well, approval by the international GMP standard. They are policing every product that they approve of randomly to check if they are really still using the same ingredients at the same amount that was indicated on the onset upon approval of their products, and the safetiness, the cleanliness of the facility, and all that stuff. All right. And we have also considered the label, the packaging that is being used by all of our products, namely to protect the environment for a less impact on the garbage that we are actually contributing to the environment. That is under the green label of Singapore. We are also considering the halal certification for our Islam brothers and sisters, and the European Vegetarian Union, the Vegetarich. Okay, this B label is really respected, especially backed up by the royal family in Europe, because this is a union of all the countries in Europe, and they are ensuring vegetarians and vegans. For this label ensures them of what they have chosen as their diet. And we have the TGA. Let me just, okay, zoom it in. That is the Australian Government Department of Health and Aging, the Therapeutic Goods Administration. Why is this important? We know that Australia is very strict, correct? When I went to Australia the first time, I brought an instant noodle, okay? Just because I wanted to have something to make sure that I have something right after I get out of the plane, okay? And then there's this dried vegetables and meat in it. And then they took it out. They said, sorry, we don't allow this to enter our country. We have to put this in the garbage. That's how strict they are. It is a global authority in the issuance of certification for any product claiming to be scientifically therapeutic. Okay? And relating to the healing of disease. Okay? So please take a look at what you see here. Namely, the Fit Solution Cellular Nutrition, Cell Energy, and Cell Mineral. It was given this ARTG ID 326722 for the cell nutrition, 326721 for cell energy, and 326728 for cell mineral. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. It has the registration type. And what is indicated there? It says medicine. It's not even synthetic. It's not even chemicals whatsoever. It is medicine. They believe that everything that is in our fit solution would take care of the body, and that's how it works. Okay? So our amazing performance will definitely tell you, okay, that our product speaks for itself. Dr. Wang said, don't sell the product, share it because our products really works. Okay? It is ranked number what is this? Number 4 in Taiwan direct marketing industry. It's ranked 16 in the global direct marketing industry in 2021. But okay, okay, what happened? What happened? Sorry about that. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay. So, but as you can see here, our ranking only at the age of 15 years old, okay? For Total Swiss, our ranking became number 12, okay? And why is that? Because it yielded 922 million in global sales. That is in Philippine peso, 53.476 billion in global sales. That speaks a lot about that our product speaks for itself. Okay? So that's it for my presentation. I would like to stop share and I would like to open the floor for question and answer regarding our products. Maybe we will just be entertaining five. Am I correct, Ton?
Three, Doctor. So
Oh, three.
actually, we have one question here
All
from
right.
one of our participants. So the question is, what can help with someone who has, this is probably all about our products, about myocardial infarction and heart failure with abdominal aortic aneurysm of 4 centimeters, Sjogren syndrome, and disc prolapse? That's the first question. You can see it in the chat box. Correct. And
All
then the
right.
next question will be much, I think, much easier. What can help also for what the product can help also for those with prostate enlargement condition?
All right. Okay. So let me just break it down to one thing. Our products, as you can see during the reaction, the slide that I have shown you, that our products actually will dilate, it will relax the blood vessels. The problems with all of these are actually leading to one thing, the congestion of our blood vessels. Once our product is taken, you would actually feel immediately that, wow, I am blushing, I can breathe well, I can walk um more better. I don't have that joint pain. That is because you know why? The pain is actually contributed because of the blockage of our blood vessels. Once there is a blockage, now the cells are actually inflamed. Once there is the dilation of the blood vessels, now then the red blood cells will flow through the blood vessels, enabling now that the toxins from our those cloggings and all that stuff will now be dislodged from the blood vessel wall, thus making it now easy for the oxygen to also flow through it. The body needs oxygen so that it will be able now to eradicate all these toxins out of your body, and thus it will make our body now feel better and better and better, slowly but surely. But the others, it's actually not slow, it's fast. Okay, so that's how it is. That's my answer to those questions.
Yeah, I think. Thank you, Doctor. I think that that answer goes for all diseases that we are
Yeah.
encountering nowadays. And
Exactly.
so we are opening also the floor. Those who are in the call, you can unmute, and if you have questions, please do. We have we can entertain another two questions. You may raise your hand, or you may just unmute and shoot your question. Anyone on the floor? Anyone on the chat? Um, Sorry, there's another question here from Bell. How can this how can this help with thyroid and diabetes problems?
Very good question. Regarding the ingredients that we have now for diabetics, don't be afraid because we have what we call the fructo oligosaccharide as one of the ingredients in our product. Mainly, how does it work? It will release the glucose on a slow pace. It will not be something like when we eat something, it shoots up your blood sugar. No, that is actually a reaction. Whatever you eat, it will definitely go up. But don't worry because I have a lot of testimonials from taking our products who used to be diabetics and now are on a normal glucose level already. So that is going to be an assurance for you for this question for those people who have friends and are suffering from diabetes because um definitely our type 2 diabetics, it is really mainly from lifestyle and choice of bad nutrition. And what is Fit Solution? It is cellular nutrition given to you on a complete and balanced on a daily basis. All right. Now, regarding thyroid, it's they're one of the components as well. It's going to address your metabolism. That's why there's your problem with your thyroid, and you're actually uh, um going to hear from somebody who is having a problem with that, and that was me. Okay, so I'm having a problem with my thyroid for the longest time. That's why I grew bigger and bigger every single year. So now I have lost so much visceral fats, and it has addressed my thyroid. Okay, that is one thing I can say. What I tell you here is coming from based from testimonials from the people that I know and for myself. Okay?
Yeah, that is correct, Doctor. Actually, in technical terms, what you mentioned about diabetes is that when you eat something, that's the postprandial spikes. So the sugar spikes every time you eat. So that is correct, Doctor. And
Yeah.
and we are assured, and it is indicated, and it is indicated that the glycemic index of our product is very low. That's the
Yeah.
reason why it doesn't affect any, or it can probably help those who are into this diabetes stage.
Yeah, it actually is correcting the flow of the blood into the cell. That is what diabetics need. There's too much glucose in the blood, but it's not going inside the cell. That is what it needs. Okay? And that's what is happening. As I've told you, it will be able now to absorb on the cellular level. Thank you.
So there's one sharing here from Ricky Labregat. I think so Ricky is from Zamboanga. He's want to share that he's suffering from prostate cancer scheduled for operation, but after consuming two sets of Fit Solution, pain is gone, and I think he doesn't need any more operation. Congratulations on that.
Amazing.
That's
Amazing.
great.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Sir Ricky, for that. And I saw here another one. Okay. I saw another one. How can this help with breast cancer undergo her chemotherapy right now? Oh, what it is a fact that when a person will have chemotherapy, it will affect the healthy cells as well. Correct. Now, after chemotherapy, the patient really is so tired, as in nearly zero energy. Definitely, our products is going to be of help, and this is everybody's need. We need the nutrients. So before the chemotherapy, take it like an hour before or 2 hours before, you're nourished already, right? So when you have your chemotherapy, then that's fine. Let them do the chemotherapy. Then after maybe about 1.5 or 2 hours, then take the product again, because you just have to let the chemotherapy take its do its work on the body, what's supposed to kill and all that stuff, right? But after that, just take it again, and you can take more than one. I take this 3 and 4 times a day, sometimes 6 times a day, depending on the dictate of my body. All right, thank you.
Yeah. Tora, I think uh, that will be for now. Any last message or any last words from you before we proceed with the compensation plan?
All right. Please take note that we are not just a food supplement. We are cellular nutrition. Basing on what the Geneva Convention said, the conclusion, the reason, the culprit is for the five chronic diseases is one thing: nutritional imbalance. So, for you to be able to eradicate this from your body, let's make sure that we have the cellular nutrition to be given to us on a daily basis, no matter what. Okay? God bless and good health to everyone. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Annery. So let me share my slides. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Can you see
Don.
my?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Thank you.
Don.
Thank you. Well, again, good day, everyone. Thank you for taking time to join us today. We have about 30 minutes to discuss on how we build wealth by just nourishing ourselves. And this time we will be focusing on how to start and to join our business and the different income streams. Please listen carefully, and if you have questions, kindly write it down and could raise your hands during the Q&A portion, or you may put it on the chat box, and we'll get back to you after the presentation. Now you heard it right. By just by nourishing ourselves, we can build our wealth with Total Swiss products, particularly on our fit solution lines. Now, um, again, when you nourish yourselves, definitely we can build your wealth. Okay, so I am Ton Macaraig. So I have been in the sales and marketing for the last 30 years, and 18 years of which are in the pharmaceutical industry. So I am very much a little, aware of how it goes with the pharma industry, or how drugs or how medicines goes in the industry. Okay. Now let me show you again this slide. You have seen this a while ago with Dr. Anity. If looking at the slide, me as a salesperson into sales and marketing, this is my first time to see this kind of slides. This kind of slide, why? This is almost 30 degrees trajectory rate each year. So it grows every year and it grows fast. What do we mean by this? When we are into sales and marketing, what do we mean by this? If you look at this chart, that each year or the product is really good. Why? Because there is a repeat purchase. Again, let me say it again. There is a repeat purchase. That's why it's growing. Most of the people are using it. The moment they use it, there will be a trajectory of increase of users each year. So that is why it's growing, and we are Number 12, then we are close to 1 billion US dollars. Okay, this is the most important slide. If you're going to, look at the performance of the company, so it really works. So again, it's available in 16 countries. Now, how to start the business? Uh, the presentation right now is, in US dollar because this is an international Zoom meeting. So we made it a point that it will be in US dollars. Now, we are lucky at this point that the amount and the manner of purchasing the product is still in Philippine rate. Again, it's Philippine rate. So, but the product is already available in the US. If you buy the product, it will be delivered to any cities in the United States. But the amount that you will be buying is still a Philippine amount. That is great at the moment because that is how generous our company is. But maybe in the future, probably in the next couple of days or weeks, it will be the rate of the US. Okay. Now, first, we this is what we call the single package. All the rates, all the computation here, they are inclusive of other fees and taxes. And we have tried to compute that $1 on a Philippine rate of 50.9. Okay, just to make it easier in terms of presentation. But okay, a package like this for a single package, it costs $165 in the Philippines. Now, the moment you become a member, the next purchase that you will get, you will only be paying $130. So if you get it right, if you got um, uh, that right, is kindly put yes in the chat box. So the amount of one package is 165. The next purchase that you will be purchasing, it will be $130. So the sponsor bonus, whoever sponsors, you get 35 US dollars. Okay, you get $35. Now, even if you get only a single package or this package of $165, whenever you sell, meaning I buy one now and then I buy another, if I will sell it to my client or to a friend, you earn a 35 US dollars. This is for retail profit. If you do retailing, every time you sell, you get 35 because you will be selling at our rate of 165 US dollars. But as a member, you only get it at 130. So a difference of 35, you get a retail profit of 35. Okay, did you get that? I hope so. Now, there is for every single package, there is 100 points value. So this is your auto ship. So meaning every month we should have a point value of 100 to maintain our account and for our account to be active. The moment that we lose this auto ship, we were not able to buy another package, we lose our auto ship, we lose our account. Okay, for that month. Now, the next package is what we call the 6 plus 1 package. Now, what are the advantage of the 6 plus 1 package? Number one, it's value for money. The product that you will get is more than the amount that you are paying. Okay, get that? So number one is value for money. Again, the number of products that you will be getting is more than the amount that what you are paying. Okay, again, these are inclusive of other fees and taxes. Okay, the amount of 6 plus 1 package is $990. The reason why it's value for money because there is a plus one that you can get. There is a freebies. There is a plus one package that you will get. Now, for a package like this, when you can, as doing the business, you can get a sponsor bonus of 210 US dollars. Okay, if I sell this to my client, he gets 6 plus 1, I get 210 US dollars as sponsor bonus. Get it? Now, the retail profit for this one, if I do retailing business, if I do direct selling or retailing of this business, for example, you get a 6 plus 1 package. The 6 plus 1, the one package you use it for yourself. So you would like to do retail business on the 5 packages. So if you're going to look at the sorry about that. if you are going to look at the retail profit, that 35 US dollars is supposed to be your retail margin for one package. But you have five packages to sell. So that is $35 times five. That is 175 US dollars. The plus the plus 190 is your freebies, your freebie. So if you add your freebie and you add your retail profit, when you do direct selling or you do retail business selling, you get $365. So that means if you sell five packages or six packages this month, you get 365. Definitely next month, these five or six persons they will be buying again and they will be using this because of the they it's really working and they will maintain using the product. You still get 365 plus if you sell another five, you double your retail profit. And so on and so forth. The more you sell, the more you get on retail if you do retail business. Now, one the first advantage the first advantage of a 6 plus 1 package that I mentioned a while ago is the value for money. You get more than the amount of your product, you get more. And then the second advantage is you are in auto ship for 6 months. You are maintained for 6 months. So how is this? What happened if you buy another 6 plus 1 package during your first month? Definitely you will be on auto ship for another 6 months. So that will be 12 months. Did you get that? Okay. So going back to the single package, if you, for example, Ton, if I buy more than five or more than six in using the single package in 1 month, do I get additional auto ship a month? No, because the system is designed for a single package to have one auto ship of 1 month. The 6 plus 1 package is designed in the system to have a 6 months auto ship. All right. And then the next package again is 12 plus 2 plus 1. It's value for money. You get a freebies. You get products more than what you are paying. All right. So it's 1,900 US dollars. And when you are a member, getting another package of 12 plus 2 plus 1, you get you can get it only for 1,560 USD, 1,560, 1,560 US dollars. All right. So meaning, if I have a client who will get a 12 plus 2 plus 1 package, I get automatically a sponsor bonus of 420 US dollars. Is that and that's amazing. For there are a lot of people who are getting right now the 12 plus 2 plus 1 package. So so the one who sells the 12 plus 2 plus 1 package gets $420. In doing retail profit, same as 6 plus 1, if you have 11 packages, you sell at 35, you get 35 as retail profit for every package. You get 385 US dollars for a total of 11 packages, plus the freebies of 380 US dollars, plus the 45 US dollars because it's 12 plus 2 plus 1. So that's already 810 US dollars if you do the retail margin, retail selling. All right. Again, the second advantage of this package is you get a 12 months auto ship. All right. First advantage is the value for money. You get products more than what you paid for. Second advantage, you are in 12 months auto ship. And of course, the third advantage, you earn more in terms of your sponsor bonus. All right. So if uh, that is what we call retail business. Now, we have four types of bonuses in Total Swiss. Number one is the front end bonus. The front end bonus is 23% of the total that you will be getting of total of the four bonuses. The second type of bonus is the royalty bonus, which is 15%. And then the third is full sale bonus, which is 9%. And then the fourth bonus is leadership bonus, it's 2%. Okay? There are total of 49% of payouts and bonuses are based on point value, ensuring rewarding earnings at every level. So meaning 49% is being given to us, to the person doing the business. And then PV represents the product's value used for rank advancement and bonus calculations, maximizing business growth. Always remember the PV. Okay, the bonus and the income is calculated at PV. Right. So let's discuss first the front end bonus. Front end bonus is computed based on 100 PV for every direct sponsor. All right, with an exchange rate of €1 to $1. Actually, €1, yes, last night is 1.1, 1.14. But for purposes of easy computation, we just have to equal the €1 to $1. Okay, if this is you, this is front-end bonus. Okay, this is very important. You have to understand how this works because this is the main bonus that we have in this company. Now, if you have one direct sponsor, you get 7% for level one. All right. So that is 7%. That is $7. Now, Ton, if I have one direct, what happens if my direct, sponsored a lot? You have so many downlines. Do I earn from the people that are below this direct one, only direct one? The answer is no. The system only computes if you have one direct, you only get on the first level. All right. Now, if you have two direct sponsor, okay, if you have two direct sponsor, it means that you are entitled to up to the second level. So you get 5% on your second level, and you get that. That is, you get $5. So meaning it means that all people on your second level, you get a commission of $5, 5% or $5 on the second level because you have two directs. Next question, just to to simplify things. Again, if I have people on the third level, fourth level, fifth level because of one of my direct, they work well and they have so many downlines. So do I get from the third level? The answer is no because you only have two directs. So for two directs, you are only entitled up to second level. If your direct one has you have second level, so you get all the second level. Your direct two, you have second level. You all get commission. You get the commission on the second level only. Now, so moving forward, you get three sponsor, direct sponsor. You are entitled up to the third level of 5% or $5. You get four sponsor direct. You get the next direct, which is your fourth direct sponsor. You are now entitled up to fourth level, which is 2%. Now, what if I have five direct? Okay, you are now entitled up to six level, not five but six. All right. So meaning, if you have five direct, you are. That's the reason why our vision is initially get five direct sponsors. You can get more wide, you can get six, you can get seven, you can get eight, but it will always be computed as five in the system. But the moment one failed on one system, it will have a dynamic compression, it will compress wide, so you still have five. Now, this This you will receive a front-end bonus whenever your direct sponsors and the referrals make regular product purchases. If everybody is getting there, if they purchase every month, you will be getting all of this up to that level, up to six level. Ton question is, can what about what happens to those under level six, the level seven, level eight, level nine? If you have complete matrix on your five by six, so whenever there is a failure of one or two, three, four, five people within the five by six, there will gonna be a compression from down. It will compress going up. So again, it will it will be computed as your commission. Now let me show you how it works. Uh, For example, for level 1, you get 7%. So your level 1 is 100 PV. So 100 PV multiplied by 7%, that is 9.8 US dollars. Okay. What if on my level 2, I got 80 PV? Will I get a commission? No, because it's below 100 PV. What if in my level 3, I got 80? Will I get commission? Again, it's no. Kasi, because it's below 100 PV. What if on my level 4, I get 0? Of course, definitely that's 0. You will not get anything. Now, what if on my level 5, I get 150? How much will I get? So the system will count all the 80, 180, this 80, that's 160 plus 150, that's 310. 310, it will now compress to the second level. At 310 times 5%, you get 15.5 US dollars. Did you get that? So that is dynamic compression. Now, another simulation. If you have 6 level 40 PV, will you get commission? No, because it's below 100. Okay. Now, we said we said in the previous slide that it's only up to 6 level, but this one it's going 7th level. Will you get commission for 40 PV? No, because still less than 100. For 8 level 8, you get 80 PV. Do you still get commission? Still no, because it's still 100. Okay, what if on level 9 I got 240? What will happen to that? So 240 plus 80 plus 40 plus 40, you get 400, and then it will compress. This will become your third level, and you get 5% of 400, that's 20 US dollars. Okay, did you get that? So kindly type in the chat box yes if you understand this dynamic compression. Now, dynamic compression ensures the system identifies the counts only those with 100 PV or more for front and bonus computation. Okay, this is how dynamic compression works. Now, this is the power of 5. That's the reason why your mission is to get your first 5. So your mission is get your first 5 under you. Now, what your first 5, the first level is, if you have 5, so the total point value of 100 per member times 5, that's 500. You multiply 500 by 7%. Since 7% is €1 is $1, you get 35 euro. So 1 is to 1, so you get $35. So your total income for the first level of your first 5 direct is 35 US dollars. Now, the point here, you have to teach your first 5 on how to do the business. You have to teach them about the product. You have also to teach them on how to do the business. That's the power of duplication. We just don't have the power of 5, but we also need to understand how it works, so we can have the power of duplication. If that happens, that power of duplications, that 5 will also get 5. So you have 25. So the 25, that's already 2,500 PV. So multiplied by 5%, you get 125 USD. So out of the 2 levels, you now have a total of 160 USD. Okay, clear? I hope so. Now, on the level 3, because you're 25 on the second level, each of them will also get 5. So the 25, it becomes now 125 on level 3. So 125 multiplied by 100, that's 12,500 PV points. 12,500 PV points, that's 5% times 5%, you get 65 USD. Now, with only 3 levels, you are now earning 785 USD. Okay, you don't know people in the second level. You don't even know the people on the third level. What you did was just to teach them the business. And this is the power of duplication. Again, duplication is teaching and learning. We have to teach them on how to do the business, so your business, it will grow naturally, and you will have this massive passive income. Then the level 4, since the 125 people on the level 3 will get 5 people again, that becomes 625. So multiplying it again, you get 1,250 USD, and a total 2,035 USD. Now, moving forward up to 6 level, your total income, projected income, potential income for this 5 by 6, the power of 5 is 39,535 US dollars. Okay, where can you, what type of work you need to get a 39,535 US dollars per month? Now, is this easy? Of course it's not. But again, you have to teach your 5 on how to do the business. Again, that's the power of duplication. Now, what if I only get 50% of the business? If you get 50% of business, you still get 19,760 US dollars per month. What if only 20% works? You still get 7,907 US dollars. God. And what if only 10% works with this kind of system? You still get 3,954 US dollars. Isn't that amazing? It is. All right. Now, that's the leadership. That's the front end bonus. So the leadership rank, these are the qualifying criteria. Now, why do you need to get promoted, to be promoted? The reason why you need to be promoted because every every rank up or promotion in rank, your qualifier also increases, your group PVs also increases. Now, to be an M1, you should have 500 PVs. To be an M2, you should have 2,500 PVs and one manager one. Right? To be an M3, you should have 5,000 PVs, minimum 5,000 PVs, and two manager one. To be a director, you need a 10,000 PV and three manager one, and so on and so forth up to um, how do you call that? Up to crown president. A crown president needs a group PVs of 500,000 with three director three. All right. So now you will see why is it important to rank up. Now, this is just an illustration how to become M1. So to become an M1, as mentioned during the previous slides, you should have a 500 PV. So you can have 5 members with 100 PV each. So this is the power of 5. You have 500 PV, you become M1. What if I only have 3 people? You can still be ranked as manager 1. Okay, if one of your member gets 300 PV and the other two gets 100 PV each, that's still 500 PV. You still rank as manager 1. But again, we need to have 5 because if you only have 3, you are entitled only for front end bonus up to the third level. So that's the reason why we need to have 5 directs so that we will be entitled up to sixth level. All right, clear? Now, this is another analogy. To become M2 manager 2, you should have a 2,500 group volume. So you should have manager, one manager one, and then you have a total volume of 2,500 group TV. So you become manager 2, and so on and so forth. You rank up by increasing your group volume and increasing manager in your position. All right. Now, this is another illustration of this is another type of bonus. This is the wholesale bonus, which has a maximum of 9%. Listen carefully. This might be confusing, but just just listen and you will understand this. Okay, wholesale bonus is basically is the higher rank minus the lower rank. Your rank minus the managers or the those who are under you with rank. You just have to subtract it. Okay, as an example illustration, if you are a P1, a President 1 position, look at the payout rate of President 1. It's 8%. All right? It's 8%. And then one of your downline or one of your people below you is with the rank of M3. What is the payout rate of M3? It's 3%. All right? P1 is 8%, M3 is 3%. So 8 minus 3, you get 5%. Meaning you get 5% of the total volume of your manager 3. If your manager 3 group volume is 5,000, which is the minimum requirement for a group PV for a manager 3, so you get 5,000, You get the 5%, the difference of times 5%, that is equal to 250 US dollars. All right? Did you get that? Now, another illustration for you to get it. If you are a D1, how much is D1? Look at D1. Look at under D1. How many payout rate? That's 5%. All right? Now, and one of your downlines, so one of your people is ranked manager 2. What is the payout rate of manager 2? It's 1%. Now, 5% minus 1%, you got 4%. And the group volume, the minimum group volume of a manager 2 is 2,500. Now, 2,500, you get the 4% of that, that's $100. So that's the, ladies and gentlemen, that is the wholesale bonus. Okay? And this is infinity. All right? Infinity. All the people under you and under your sixth level, you get this wholesale bonus. That's the reason why everything is important. We are just telling you about the front-end bonus is 5 by 6, but all all people under you, we will get the benefit of it. All right. So this is the wholesale bonus, and then we go to the third bonus, which is the royalty bonus. The royalty bonus is a bit complicated. All right, but try to understand. If this is your first time to hear this, probably you might not be getting it, but probably later on we can have an intensive training uh, on on compensation, compensation plan and qualifier. So the royalty bonus is basically generational bonuses. It's not level, but it's generation. So this shows that all M1, manager 1 to manager 3, they will get a commission and up to fourth generation. The people, those who are manager 1 up to manager 3, they will be getting a commission up to fourth generation. Those who are uh, director 1 up to CP, we will be getting up to sixth generation. How how does this work? Okay, listen here. Now, if this is your direct five, let's say one of your direct, one of the people of your direct, one of your direct was promoted to M1. Okay, that's 3%. So that is your first generation. If this is you have M1 on your first direct. That will be your first generation. So if you are M2, you get 3%. Now, on on your generation 1, look at the blue one on your generation 1. There's another guy who will be promoted to M1. So that becomes your generation 2. You get 2% because you are M2. Now, on this generation 2, there will be promotion, another promotion on the gray one. Look at the gray one. It becomes your generation 3. You still get 2%. Now, because me, this you, look at you, is M2, she is only entitled up to fourth generation. So meaning, the third generation, if there will be promotion on the third generation, you, M2, will still get 2% on generation 4. Question, what happens if you are M2 and there will be another promotion under generation 4? You don't get anything because it states here that M1 to M3, you only get up to fourth generation. Correct? Okay, agree. But if your rank is D1 to CP, you are entitled up to sixth generation. If your direct one here, what if your direct one here was promoted to M1? So this will become your first generation, and so on and so forth as it goes down. So all of your directs, all of your first direct, if you will be having promotion on your first generation, it becomes your first generation. Is that clear? So the generation works only under a group of people, under a group of managers. Okay. Now, the last bonus, but not the least, is the leadership bonus. It has a maximum of 2%. In other companies, when you are when some of your people are promoted, same as your rank, you get nothing. But in Total Swiss, you still get something as a leadership bonus. If you are D1, then one of your people gets promoted to D1, you still get 1% of his total volume. If you are promoted to D2 and one of your people gets promoted to D2, you still get 0.5%. And another one gets promoted to if you are D3 and gets promoted to D3, you still get 0.5%. Isn't that amazing? So in other companies, you don't get anything if your people are being promoted same as your level. All right. Now, this is Infinity. Okay, that's are the four bonuses. Now, let me give you a final a summary of our unique features of Total Swiss. Number one, our Total Swiss business is first to market. It is a unique, it has unique product formulation. It was discussed a while ago by Dr. Henry that we have the three technology, patented technologies. We have the NAS, we have the ESA, and we have the CBN. Not other companies, they don't have this. We are first to market with this technology. Second unique features, we have an instant ink. So it was also discussed by Dr. Annelie that the product, it's fast acting, it's demonstrable, it's consumable. Okay. The third one is Swiss made, no contaminants. We all know that in Switzerland, that's the reason why the products are being grown and are being manufactured in Switzerland because it's pollution free in Switzerland. So no contaminants and superior ingredients. The fourth one is medicine grade. It was mentioned a while ago that therapeutic goods administration. Our products, the Fit Solution products are therapeutic goods authority administration are medicine grade, right? It's inheritable business. It can be inherited by your loved ones. And then it's one global account. One global account, you can use it globally, anywhere in the world. You have smooth rewards. You have seen the seamless compensation plan. Okay. We have limitless growth because it's infinity wide and infinity deep compensation plan. And it's consistent qualification. Unlike other companies, when you are being promoted, your maintenance or your personal PV increases. But this one in Total Switch is only in this company that it remains only for 100 PV, even if you will be promoted to president. Now, it's unique because it's patented and exclusive. Now, we are a global leader now. We are now number 12. We are close to 1 billion US dollars and we are a stable international company. Why? Again, go back to the slides where you can see a 30 degrees of trajectory growth each year. So that means I'm into sales and marketing for the last 30 years. I've never seen any company with this kind of growth. It only means that there is a repeat purchase of the product because it's doing well. And last but not the least, it's emerging phase. We just started in the Philippines. We are a pioneering stage in the Philippines. We just started in September last year. In the US, we just started probably last month. So we are into emerging phase. All right. Now we said when you nourish yourselves, we build your future and we achieve our dreams. With Total Swiss, the time is now. Those who are new here, you have to thank you have to thank say thank you to those who invited you because the time is now. Showing now because this is the only way that we can see that we can achieve our dreams. Let's make your dreams into reality. Thank you very much. Do you have a question? So before we wrap this up, so if you have questions, you can just put it in the chat box, and we can do in-depth compensation plan training with regards to this. If you can easily get this in one sitting, but I think hopefully just your first goal is get first the five direct. Get your five people, train them, teach them how to do the business, and let them have the power of duplication. Have the power of duplication. All right. You can unmute anyone, everyone. You can. I would like to entertain at least one question, one or two. Can we put our camera on so we can have a photo screenshot of those who participated tonight or today? Yeah. Can you share your screen? Can you share your camera in one that's to a screenshot? So this will gonna be short. All right. I hope everyone. I hope everybody's well today. And please kindly open your camera so we can screenshot who participated today. All right. I'll do the screenshot. So hopefully those who are still in the call, open your camera. All right. In one, two, three, smile. One more. One more. Okay. Those who are still without camera, please open your camera. So one, two. All right. Anyone, enjoy your day. Thank you for this call. Hope to see you again. Next call, our mission again is to invite a lot of people, invite friends, invite relatives, invite people to join us on this everyday call. That's the only way to do it. If you can still, don't, if you cannot, present or discuss them on how the business works, on how the products works, make sure that you invite people to join us in this kind of call, in this kind of Zoom. Thank you very much.